Hi, I'm Bob Bresky with FlorStar. I wanted to walk through one of our new launches from in-house. Now, most of you are familiar with a product called in-house Sono, and Sono was brought out in 2017. It was the original PVC-free, vinyl-free, mineral composite core product that was brought in from Germany by in-house. It's 100% waterproof. The dimensional stability, because of the composition of the core, anywhere from -40 degrees up to 150 degrees, because of the fact that there's no vinyl content, so there's no means for the product to react to temperature. So you can go 100 feet without a transition. The nature of Sono was, rather than a vinyl overlay, was to have a direct digital print to the surface. And as they were able to print these things in Germany, they were able to create up to about 51 square feet of individual design per pattern, so that you wouldn't see that repeat of that knot or that individual piece across the customer's floor. It's a pretty important distinction that they brought. The product has a lifetime warranty for residential and a 10-year light commercial warranty. Since then, there have been a number of updates and improvements to the Sono line, to the point now, for 2021, we're launching a line called Sono Eclipse. Now, Sono Eclipse has all of the original benefits of Sono, but there are a number of improvements and enhancements that in-house has made to this product. First off, the original Sono had to be installed with an angle and then a roller on the end joint to put it in place. Now it goes in a little more easily. They've re-engineered the tongue and groove system to lock a little bit better, and that end joint can be tapped down versus rolled down. So it's a much friendlier install for those of you who used to install the original Sono. The core is re-engineered slightly different. What they have done is they've slightly increased the percentage of polyolefin in that core and slightly decreased the amount of mineral powder, which basically means the product is going to be a little more flexible and a little more stable. So when you're working over an average typical subfloor, that additional stability and flexibility becomes quite important. The product is still 5.5 millimeter with a painted bevel with a 1 millimeter attached underlayment. Now the underlayment is new for Eclipse, and the underlayment is made with that same polyolefin and mineral powder blend, but it's frothed. So you still have a homogeneous product for the most part as you're looking at Eclipse. And the fact that this frothed underlayment is creating with the same ingredients as that of the core of the flooring. So it's pretty cool. It's got a 73 PSI on that underlayment, achieves luxury sound ratings. It's permanently attached. So really, really good stuff to have on there. They have an enhanced, thicker polypropylene surface to Eclipse versus Sono. It's slightly thicker, and what that's going to do is going to improve that chip and dust resistance just a little bit. They have a new process called an excimer process, which is basically an ultraviolet pre-cure within manufacturing that's going to add a little more scratch resistance to this product. So got a bunch of different things, a bunch of variations on Eclipse that are just a nice improvement to the original Sono product. The digital printing that I talked about at Sono is still done on Eclipse. In addition, there is an extra layer of digital printing that's done with a form of acid that is printed at the same configuration as the pattern underneath, which creates your embossed and registered look. So this product on the plank side is EIR, and again, you've got that 51 square feet of unique visual per pattern, and then 51 square feet of unique EIR that matches the pattern. So it's not just one plate that they keep using over and over again. There were 5 designs in Sono that were really popular that we've rolled into Eclipse, and then there's 21 new visuals. And those 21 new visuals, they're hot. I mean, they're right on point for 2021. A lot of people are looking for a little more of that European flair, and of course, we're better than Germany to create something with a European flair. I'd like to point out The display samples are now 20 by 24. They're going to give you a nice big representation of the product. The product is literally made entirely on the production line for Eclipse, including the back that has that permanently attached underlayment, the front and the surface, and these are produced as samples, which basically means they're producing and having each sample be the best representation of color ratio within the actual flooring. In fact, it's so cool, they've actually, part of that digital printing is the so-called label. This is actually not a label, it's printed onto the surface. So they literally made samples on the production line at in-house. So pretty cool stuff. You'll see the display is entirely new. It's got the full story, updated graphics. Very important, if you were working with Sono originally, you need to replace your entire display, including the stacker itself, to make sure you've got that story there. We've got loose piece samples available for you. The Eclipse information is on the in-house website. Every one of these products has a QR code that will take you directly to the website, to the actual color that the consumer is looking at. So one quick scan of this and they're looking at a room scene. And that's kind of a big deal because everybody needs to see room scenes with the amount of color gradation we have these days. Like I said, most of the colors here are freshly updated for 2021. You've got your chocolates, you've got your grazes, you've got your high variation color mix that are people looking for. One thing that's very unique about the Eclipse line, and was true with Sono, is they've got some really good tile visuals, which are lacking in that SBC category. Really nice slates. This is one of the best Carreras that I've seen out there. Really nice finish with that satin finish. Linear travertine. These are really, really big in the stone market right now. So there you have it, that's Sono Eclipse. Thank you for your time.